Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please do what to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Okay. So guys, today we are going to be making jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice. And to make the jollof rice, I have here my takashi, my chili red pepper, my scotch bonnet pepper, my tomatoes, my ginger, my garlic. I also have my onions. I'm going to be blending all these ones with my tomatoes. And I have here my bay leaf, my thyme, my seasoning cube. I have my sauce and I have my tomato paste and curry, which I will show you guys later. Okay? And please, if you enjoy watching my video, help me to click on the like button. Click on the like button, guys, and subscribe. I don't know, subscription is free. Alright guys, so let's get down. I'm going to start by blending all of this together. Okay, so guys, I'm going to start now by adding some oil into my pot. We'll allow this oil to heat up and then go in with our onion. So guys, our oil have heat up now. I'm just going with my onions. I'll allow this onion to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Alright. So guys, I will go in now with my tomato paste. I will allow it to fry. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Okay. So guys, I'm going to add in my tomato mix now, or pepper mix. This just tomato, garlic, ginger, onions, tetashi, red chili pepper, and then scotch bonnet pepper. Okay. So guys, I'll go in with my seasoning now. I'll start by adding in my seasoning cube, my thyme, my salt, curry powder, and stir it, going in with my bay leaf. I'm going to stir this now. Let it fry for about 5 minutes before adding in water. So guys, I'm going to be adding in water that I will use to cook my rice. I'm going to allow it to boil. If you have your stock, you can add it at this point because I don't have any beef stock. That's why I'm just adding in water. Okay. So guys, it's time for us to add in our rice. Going to stir and cover and let it cook. So we are going to let this cook, okay? And then we'll come back. And so if you're watching me up to this point and have not subscribed to my channel, guys, I don't know what I did to you. Please help me subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like this video if you love the video, okay? So guys, our jollof rice is ready. Please manage with me. Nepa just took our lights now. This is what we see in Nigeria. Okay? Life in Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria. So our jollof rice. I hope you guys can see it. Please just manage with like this. Okay? Our jollof rice is ready, and please, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. All right? Okay, guys. Then see you next time. Bye.